I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn VB, NET programming. To begin, understand that VB, NET is a powerful object-oriented language running on the NET framework. It allows you to build many application types from desktop to web. Visual Studio is your essential tool, providing an integrated environment for coding, debugging, and deploying your projects. Getting familiar with its interface is your first step. Your next step is setting up your development environment. Download and install the free Visual Studio Community Edition. During installation, make sure to select the NET Desktop Development Workload. Once installed, open Visual Studio and create a new console application project. This simple project type is perfect for writing your first lines of VB, NET code and seeing immediate results. Now dive into the core concepts of VB, NET. Focus on understanding variables, different data types, and essential control structures like loops and conditionals. The best way to learn is by doing, so practice writing many simple programs. As you progress, explore object-oriented programming principles such as classes, objects, and inheritance to build more complex and organized applications. Once you grasp the fundamentals, consider building graphical user interfaces using Windows Forms or WPF. You can also explore connecting to databases and developing web applications. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals. Continuous practice and exploring different project types will significantly enhance your VB, NET skills. The journey is rewarding, so keep coding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.